Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday copper market opened around 424. It is above the Saturday's market price closing and also above the Friday's market price closing. And what we expect is that we had two strategies yesterday. One is that if the price is below 425, anything below 425 and any closing below 424, that is the price opening, we expected the market to continue its downtrend. So anything between this 425 to 426, it is a trend deciding zone. We expected the market to decide its trend. This zone should decide the trend because it is the convergence of the moving average, also long term moving average also converging around 425 and 426. Moreover, it is just above 425, and if anything above 426, it's going to be a buying opportunity. So we had two strategies yesterday: price actions below 425, and what we expected from the clients and followers that to put all their efforts to analyze what is happening between 425 and 426. So now let's see what happened after the price opening. So after the price opening, you can see the market went higher, but it was trading, it was cleared this major zone of 425 to 426 that pushed the market till 428. You can see this after clearing the zone, the market has taken some support around 426 that pushed the market till 428. So what is this 428? We all know that the last week we have taken this 428 as a reference zone for taking a trend decision, because we have for this 428 this has provided very good resistance on the previous week, that is last week. The 428 provided resistance. The last week complete trading depends upon 428. We went for a short below 428. But now we have decreased this trading zone. Now we expect for this week 425 and 426 to make the trend deciding zone. So that is the reason this 428, since it has acted as a resistance for the last week. Let us see whether it's going to act as a resistance for now also. So this 428, the market is struggling to break this 428, and a failure to sustain the level above 428 is going so that is, you can see that the price is struggling to break this 428, and a failure to break this 428 is pushing the market down to the another to the support level of 426. So what is happening is that we are witnessing a low volatile market, just because like what we told in our presentation yesterday is a Memorial Day. It's a holiday in US, so always we can witness some low volatility. So when we had electronic trading session in COMEX market, so that is the reason why we had a low volatility. Apart from the initial pullback, so the market was completely trading within this 426. You can see all the candlesticks are very, very tiny candlesticks. So that but what, based upon the price action, what we can decide is that as we expected, the market was staying above 426. That can put some buying pressure. That happened initially. So initially, since the price was trading above 426, the market went higher and tested this 428 levels. So but since this 428 is a very, very strong resistance zone, if you want to know why it is a very strong resistance zone, go back to our presentations. We have all the archives of the presentations in our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, or also you can search in YouTube also. So you can watch our YouTube channel and you can see that. So after taking a complete resistance, even the market was dropping, but the good thing is that the market was staying above this 425. So it has entered, after also it has entered this zone, but continuously you can see the level of support it has provided. The market has provided a very good support around 426, and the market closed around 426, which is just above and which is very close to our decision zone, which we expected to make a very clear decision zone. So based upon the price action, and if you see that the closing was around 426, but the opening is 424. So it is the yesterday's market closing is just above the yesterday's market price opening, and also the trading zone, the low, which is often we can take the price opening as a low. Just you can see that the opening, from the opening the market has moved up, but during the trading session we can consider this as a low 425.5. so since the price is above this 425 and 426, today also we can expect the market to continue its uptrend, but based upon the price action in COMEX market, we can expect the market copper market to open around the same zone. Today our expected price opening is also the same zone. It is just purely based upon the COMEX price direction. So it may vary once the currency market opens, based upon the INR values it may vary. But word of caution is that again this 425 to 426 is going to play a very crucial role for today and for the coming week in copper market, unless we get a price action, clear price action, like what happened in the initial trading session yesterday. Like yesterday we expect the market to break like this. If you expect the trend to continue, there should be a price action like this, but we expect a closing and breaking above 428 that can double confirm the trend direction. Unless it is trading within this 425 to 426, it is always going to be a struggle for copper market. What if the buying to continue, it should stay above 426. That is the first case. Price above 426 can always put some buying pressure, and the trend market can easily break the major resistance of 428. Then we can expect 432 and 436 as a target zone. But what we are clearly saying is that if there is any price action below 425, that can produce some selling pressure. So what we advise our clients and followers is that please don't carry forward all your buying below 425. Let that market please place some stop loss and close your position. Wait for the pattern formation which is going to happen around 425 and 426, because the market has got some potential to reverse and continue its downtrend also, because for the past 2 days the market is staying in copper is struggling and consolidating and staying trying to stay above 426 to put some buying to reverse its trend. But if there is any closing, again we can say if there are any closing below 425, will put some lot of pressure, so that it will again go and the market can again go and test 422 and 417 and 414 also. These are the lows which was created in the past week, so you can go and refer your charts for that. So this is again, copper is not again, it is a free day for us. All we need to put all our efforts into this zone. Once the zone is cleared, the market will go with the trend and you can expect a good profit. Whenever the market is consolidating within a zone, it is going to provide us a very good opportunity to pick the zone, because after breaking 425 and after the price reaching 432, now the stop loss zone will increase, but it is not the case. So what we advise our clients and followers is to put all your efforts into this 425 and 426 zone. If the price is staying above 426, it is well and good, the market is gaining some buying momentum. If it is breaking 428, it is again confirming the market is prepared for a big bull run. So all depends upon how the price is going to act within this 425 and 426 zone. Any price action below 425, it is going to be dangerous for the buyers. Please place a stop loss and you can take a buying after that. There is no point in holding until the end. So you can place some stop loss if the price is dropping below, because you can place some stop loss, and if the price is going above 426, again you can take a buy call. So all depends upon the price action and the price opening today. Today's price opening is also going to be crucial, because we expect the price opening to be above 426. So if there is any price opening, if the price is going to open below 425, again it is a signal for weakening the buying in copper market. All depends upon the price action that is going to happen during the trading session. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Please take care. Happy trading. Bye.